Hi friends, Suzanne here. Welcome to another Card Kit of the Month video. In order for me to send you this card kit right to your Canadian mailbox, all you have to do is enter this host code when you're shopping with me. It's that easy. There's more information about this card kit and my loyalty rewards at my blog, sunstampin.com. Hi friends, and welcome to the September 2024 Card Kit of the Month. I am featuring the Wintry Treetop Stamp Set and Die Bundle. For this card kit, of course, if you shopped with me this month, you will get this card kit and a variation of the card stocks. And I just wanted to let you know that I have a online card class with this particular brand new bundle. I will have more information on that, but still look in the description box below and you will find a link that takes you to my online classes. I've uploaded a few actually this last month. So I have a metal ruler here and I have my take your pick tool with the craft knife on it. So I'm sharing with you, you can just use the craft knife. This is a really unique way of cutting your sentiment to size, and I do this all the time, you guys. I will scissor cut things. I will cut them on my trimmers. If they're too finicky, I will use my craft knife. And I'm really happy that Stampin' Up has this knife. Gotta say, it is quite useful. But sometimes, just because of where that ruler is, I didn't want to risk cutting off anything. So I am just cutting apart this particular sentiment with my scissors. I already did a couple there, as you can see. So what did I want to talk about? Oh, hey, you might have thought I dropped off the earth, but I actually went on vacation, had a lovely time. Thanks for asking. And I celebrated my birthday with my best friend on the island. That's Vancouver Island, in case you didn't know. And when I got home, I got really swamped because as a hairdresser, when you go away, that's what happens. And then I got a little too exhausted to do any crafting. How about that? So now I'm in the full swing of things again. I've created a whole bunch of online classes. I am trying to get ready for my big extravaganza that is called Crafting at the Lake House. So look forward to that in October. But yeah, I'm kind of busy. So anyway, that's no excuse. I had to put this video up. It's 1 o'clock in the morning right now, and I'm doing this little voiceover. As you can see, I am doing all the things. We've got sort of the bones of the dimensionals there. They're left over. I cut them down to make like little slivers of adhesive, and I'm going to put on, so those die cuts, they are called Spotlight on Nature dies, and I cut them from the paper called Full of Life, which is literally my favorite paper. I've been using it lots. Just want to show you how versatile it is, and see if I just tilted that circle, all of a sudden those little circles seem more random. Anyway, I digress. So I have cut the sentiments out, and this, oh my gosh, this is a new product. What's it called? It's my new favorite 3D embossing folder. It's gigantic, and it says it's called Forever Plaid 3D embossing folder. You're going to miss it in the catalog unless you go through it a couple of times. I'm going to give you the number. The number is 164049. So 164049. I think that's a 6. Yep, it's a 6. Anyway, you're going to love it. It looks like plaid, and you can do so many little techniques with this. So I'm just leaving it plain. You guys can zhuzh it up as you wish. Just so you know, if you participated in my product share, you're going to get this card kit. So you're going to be exceptionally happy. And also too, if you are on my team, you get one too. So how about that? So I put it on with dimensionals, these little circles, and then I cut out this really cute sentiment. I want to tell you that the what's it called? The Wintry Treetop Bundle that has the birdies and the wreathy thing, and it can be used for Christmas too. You can swap out the more universal sentiments and actually put holiday sentiments with it. It's really a universal type of stamp set and die, and this was one of the sentiments. So thanks so much for listening, and I will see you next time. I still owe you a paper pumpkin, don't I? All right, you guys, I'll talk to you soon. Bye for now.